What's going on, YouTube? Working on the Nissan Sentra today, front struts. I've already loosened these bolts here. I've taken out the control arm stabilizer link. So a lot of videos show you taking out the passenger side, but this is the driver's side because there are extra steps for the driver's side, so it's not so easy. What you need to do is take off the wipers. You know, they all have a little piece in the back that clips off from behind like this, so you'll have to pry it, a little screwdriver, and get into that little notch right there, and then pops off. All right, you have to wiggle it around to dislodge it because there's teeth in here that secure it. And then once you get in here, there's little clips in here that you need to use like a screwdriver just to get in between. So, you know, pop them open like that. And those clips run along the front drain grill, just below the front windshield. Then when you get here, you're going to pop these slowly, pull it open. You're going to separate it from here. So it separates here. You see that? It separates there. Pull it up slowly. You can take all of them out if you want, but all you need to do is get in here to that last bolt right there. See that bolt right there? And that's the third bolt in the corner, so you can drop the top strut all the way down once you loosen out the 3 bolts. 1, 2, and you see that's under here, hidden by the cowl, and that's the 3rd bolt, and that's access, so you can drop down the front strut and you'll be good to go. So like and subscribe.